In this lecture, we're going to talk about fine touch and proprioception. Sensory systems similar to gross touch, but there are some critical differences that will confuse you until you get it, and then you'll be fine. But the bottom line is we still have a receptor out in the skin for fine touch. We still have a dorsal root ganglion neuron projecting into the spinal cord. What's different about fine touch and proprioception is that there's no synapse in the spinal cord. These neurons travel in the dorsal columns all the way up to the medulla in the brainstem before they synapse. So again, it's a 3-neuron chain with the dorsal root ganglion neuron out here. But the second neuron is where things get different. So it travels up and synapses in the medulla, which is why this has an asterisk. And then neuron 3, again, is still going to be in the thalamus before it goes to primary sensory cortex. So in the next section, we'll talk about all of the different pieces of this 3-neuron chain, where it's similar to gross touch and where it's different from gross touch.